Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to insert images the proper way in Movie Studio and Vegas Pro. Now, you've probably run into this a number of times when trying to insert images in your videos. I'll show you what I mean. So here I have a video clip of grass fire. Insert image here. So insert video track. Now here's my image. Now this is a transparent image, which means the background has been cut out in a program like Photoshop. And it stays as a PNG, transparent PNG. So drag this to the timeline. Now, let's try inserting this image right now, and I'll show you what happens. So let's try to move this image. Say we want to move this image to the upper left-hand corner. So event panel crop. Make this a little smaller. Let's drag it over and see what happens. Oh, it's getting cut off. What is going on? I'll show you what's going on. You have to go to (16:9) widescreen. Once you do that, now you can drag it anywhere. So make it smaller again. Now, let's drag it. See, that's what happens here. You can drag it anywhere now. So anytime you're inserting images, you must select 16:9 widescreen, or else you're not going to be able to insert the image anywhere in your video clip. So just a quick tip today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.